Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about some AI related concepts like what is AI, what is generative AI, what is AI agent and agentic, what is agentic AI. So with some examples. So these are the most important interview questions. The interviewer they will ask like what is AI. If you go from a artificial intelligence background, then they will ask these questions like what is AI, what is generative AI, what is agentic AI, and what is AI agent, what is the difference of three. They will ask like these questions. So first, let's see the what is AI. AI is nothing but a artificial intelligence. So the definition of the artificial intelligence is it refers to computer systems are designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Okay, will do the it will do the some task that normally require human intelligence. Those tasks it will do. These tasks includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, recognizing some patterns, making decisions, understanding languages, and solving problems. Like this, you can use this artificial intelligence. AI system do not think like human, but they can analyze large amount of data and produce intelligence outcomes. Okay, it will not AI will not do the it will not think like a human, but they can analyze large amount of data. Okay, large amount of data from data sets. So, and also it will produce the intelligence outcomes. Okay, let's like let's take an example like we have a Google map is there. In that, when you go from uh, one source to destination, when you want to go from source to destination, then you will find the one best route. So Google have a lot of data. So from the data sets, the AI will learn something, okay, which is better her route to go the destination, to reach the destination in the minimal time. At that moment, the Google, the AI will analyze the that data set, okay, and also it will give the one best route to reach the destination in the minimal time. Yeah. So that is a concept of AI, artificial intelligence, and also you can use in Netflix recommending the movies, face recognition on smartphones. And one more thing, the most important thing is spam detection in Gmails. So this is a very important thing. Okay, and also these are all powered by AI models trained on large data sets. Okay, that is the concept of artificial intelligence. So after this artificial intelligence, let's see the concepts of AI related concepts. So introduction to AI, just now I completed this concept. After this, what is generative AI? What is AI agent? What is agentic AI? So after the let's see the what is generative AI. Okay, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a subfield of AI. Okay, it is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content rather than just analyzing existing data. So instead of analyzing the existing data like a AI, so it will generate the and or it will create a new content. Okay, it will create a new content. Okay, and it can generate a text, it can generate images, it can generate audios, and it can generate videos. And also the most important nowadays, a lot of people is using it can generate software code also. Okay, that is the concept of generative AI. Generative AI models are trained on massive data sets and learn patterns, structures, and relationships. Okay. After this, prompt, when you provide a prompt, they predict and generate new content that machine what they learn. Okay. From the data sets, from large amount of data sets, what it what it will learn. So that's the concept. It will generate the new content on that, and it will provide to users. Okay, when you ask something, so that time it will generate the new content, and also it will provide the output. Okay, but the best example for this is ChatGPT. So the best example is ChatGPT. ChatGPT generate an emails, and also another AI tool is there, Mid Journey, creating an images. Okay, it will create an images. So the most important thing is in generative AI. So generative AI does not take actions. Okay, note this point. So generative AI does not take actions. It only produces content when requested. Okay, it will not take any actions without your intimation. So with user intimation only, it will do the some actions like generating the content, generating the messages, generating the text, generating the videos, like that. It will do the actions. But without human intimation, it will not do the any actions. That is the main concept of generative AI. So next, what is generative AI? Let me tell you. Generative AI create new content, and it can generate text and it can generate images. So, and in the last section, have informed you, it does not think or act on its own. Okay, it only responds when we ask. Okay, when you ask, that time only it will give the result. Okay, that is a concept of generative AI. And after this, what is AI agent? So an AI agent is an AI system that is designed to take actions in the real world by interacting with software tools, APIs, and applications. Okay, it will take some actions. Okay, it will also interact with some other softwares and software tools, APIs, and applications. So, unlike generative AI, which only creates responses, and AI agent can read data, make decisions, call external tools, and execute tasks. Okay, the generative AI, what it will do? Just it will generate the content, but the AI agent will do the actions, some actions like read the data, make decisions, call external tools, execute tasks. Like that, it will do the actions. For example, let's take an example like you want to go somewhere, like you have to book the ticket, but you don't have any time, but you have a AA agent. Okay, you have a AA agent, but you don't have time. At that moment, just just inform to your AA agent, just book a ticket. Okay, just give the information, just what it will do. So with uh, when you ask now, that time it will searches the flight websites. Okay, it will searches the flight websites, compare the prices, select the best option. Okay, select the best option and books the ticket. That those actions it will do. Here the AI is not just writing text. Okay, here the AI while booking the ticket, the AI is not just writing the text. It is performing actions. Okay, it is performing some actions. So that is the AI agent. AI agent is an AI that can take actions. Okay, that can take actions. It can read data, decide, call tools, and do tasks. And one more thing, it does not just generate a text like a generative AI. It can do the it acts. Okay, acts. That is the AI agent. So after this, what is agentic AI? Agentic AI represents the next level of AI evolution. Okay, agentic AI system can understand sorry understand a goal, break it into steps, decide what to do next, execute actions, and also monitor results, adjust their strategy. So they operate autonomously, similar to a human employee. Okay, let's take you tell the system, I want a job. So agentic AI can generate your resume. Okay, when you ask something, like when you ask like, I want a job, I want a job. At that time, in agentic AI, what it will do, generate your resume. Okay, generate your resume and search job portals, apply to jobs, send emails, schedule interviews, and track responses. So that actions it will do. That is the agentic AI. Okay, you did not give step-by-step instructions. Okay, you did not give step-by-step instructions, but it's doing like generating your resume, search job portals, applying and respond to emails, like scheduling the interviews and track the responses. That actions is doing. So you did not give any instructions step by step, but it's doing its own tasks. So that is the concept of agentic AI. So the system plan and execute the workflow by itself. Okay, that is agentic AI. Yeah, guys. This is the yeah. Sorry. What is agentic AI? Agentic AI, agent AI that plans, decides, and executes multiple step by step itself. Okay, to achieve a goal. Achieve a goal. Yeah, goal driven and self directed like that. It will do the action. In the final summary, AI gives machines the ability to think and decide. Okay, generative AI creates content. AI agent perform task. Agentic AI plans, execute entire workflow autonomously. So that is the concept of today, guys. I hope you understood the concept of AI and what is AI, what is generative AI, what is agentic AI, what is AI agent. So these are the concepts today I have explained to you guys. If you have any doubt, please comment it below. I will explain more and more. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.